Hello everyone, my name is Digvijay Shivajirao Deshmukh. Today's my topic is non-technical topic. Today I am going to explain you about climate change, one of the important point and one of the important issue that's going on in our world. And so let's begin. Climate change is one of the long-term shift in the global weather pattern and the temperature. Mainly it caused by the human activities like burning the fossil fuels, deforestation, and industrialization. It's led to the global warming and rising the sea levels and the extreme water events like the tsunami and all, and the discontamination of the water. Sorry, uh, causes of the climate change. That is the first is greenhouse gases emissions and burning fossil fuels. Third is deforestation. uh, Fourth is agriculture and the livestock on the large scale. Pollution and the industrial waste. So what is the greenhouse effect and the emissions? uh, that is the CO2, methane, and the nitrous oxide trap heat in the atmosphere. Second is the burning of the fossil fuels, that is the coal, oil, and the natural gases used in the industries and the transportation and the electricity, means for the electricity generation, release high amount of CO2 in the atmosphere. Deforestation, that is the one of the most important issue. That is tree absorb the CO2, but the deforestation reduces the absorption of the CO2 and increases the greenhouse effect. And it leads to the very low level, means and after that the agriculture and the livestocks. That is the it is the large scale of the farming and the cattle's uh, releases the methane and a powerful greenhouse gases. Pollution and the industrial waste, this is also the one of the important point, that the factories all over the world that release the harmful chemical gases and the worsening air and water quality. Now further, what are the effects of the climate change? First is that is the rising the temperature. Second is the extreme weather. Third is the glacier melting and the sea levels increases. Biodiversity and biodiversity gets low, and the health impact. Rising temperature, that is the global warming and the average temperature that increase in the that by over the 1 degree Celsius since as per the industrial times. Extreme weather, it is the most frequent and the wildfire, uh, heat waves, and floods. Glacier melting, this is one of the important point. Polar and cap are melting, leading to the rising the sea levels at the coastal erosions. Biodiversity loss, many species are getting extinct nowadays, leading to their habitats and the destruction of the temperature changes. Now further, that is the impact on the human and the environment. That is the food and the weather storages. Second is the displacement of the migration. Third is the economic consequences. Fourth is the coral and the reef of the ocean damage. I will explain you some things about it. That is the food and the water shortages. That is the drought. Drought means sukha padne. Effect on the agriculture, reducing the food supply. Displacement of the migration. Displacement and the migration. That is the million are the forced to leave their homes and due to the natural disasters. And the last is the coral reef and the ocean damages. This is the warmer the water causes the coral bleaching and destroying the marine life habitats. Now let's see about the solution and the action towards it. First is, that is, I think, switching the renewable energies. Second is reducing the carbon footprints. Third is the reinforcement and the conversion. And second, fourth is the waste reduction and the recycling. And last, that is the government and the policies of the